first fashion week in Pakistan was held in October 2009 by FP, which brought an unprecedented international spotlight on the fashion industry of the country. Some of the foreign media portrayed fashion in Pakistan with cliches like fashion as a fight against the Taliban. But now, FP is hosting its second fashion week, which is hoping to focus on the design aspect rather than its assumed political representation. The lineup for this fashion week includes big names in Pakistan's fashion industry such as Umar Saeed, Sana Safinas, Faiza Sami, Kamya Rokni, Banto Kazmi, Shamil Ansari, Maheen Khan and Deepak Parwani among others, along with the upcoming designers category. The organizers are changing the format of the event to include participation from the textile industry, namely fabric manufacturers, as well to promote business in Pakistan. This fashion week will be 5 days long and will showcase 10 fashion shows per day and is expected to house at least 800 guests per day at the venue.
It's a whole week, and it's like you know that this is not the end. Like
I think it's very exciting when events like these take place. They also help you in your creativity.
If our buyers' response is going to be fantastic, we have a lot more buyers. It's a really big turn for our industry. So for the coming days, there'll be more people who will want to come.
One can't ignore the fact that as an event, this fashion week is responsible for putting through some of the most creative collections displayed on the ramp. And one wonders whether the fashion industry and its most ardent followers aren't in to suffer from fashion fatigue if things continue at this rate. Sophia Jamal, Dawn News.